Did you know a desert queen once came closer to destroying Rome than anyone except Hannibal? Meet Queen Zenobia of Palmyra. In 267 AD, this brilliant warrior conquered Egypt and most of Asia Minor. She declared herself Augusta, a title reserved only for Roman empresses. Zenobia was a master of a desert warfare. Her camel cavalry struck fast and vanished into the sands before Roman legions could respond. She made Greek and Aramaic the official languages, erasing Latin from her lands. Palmyra became a rival capital to Rome itself, but Emperor Aurelian had enough. In 272 AD, he laid brutal siege to Palmyra. The once mighty city fell after months of starvation and bombardment. Zenobia tried to escape on camelback across the desert, but Roman cavalry caught her. They dragged her to Rome in golden chains and paraded her through the streets like a trophy. Then she vanished from history. Some say she lived quietly as a Roman citizen. Others believe she died in captivity. But her legend lives on as the desert queen who almost toppled an empire.